Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Dhupia. I welcome at Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. Today we are going to solve the 36th question of UPSC CSC Prelims 2025. We have already covered the 35 questions. Please go check them out. Make sure to subscribe the channel for the latest updates. Let's start with the 36th, that is related to direct air capture. The concepts like carbon sequestration will be covered in this particular question. With reference to direct air capture, an emerging technology, which of the following statements are correct? First being, it can be used as a way of a carbon sequestration. It can be a valuable approach for plastic production and in food processing. In aviation, it can be a source of carbon for combining with hydrogen to create synthetic low carbon fuel. Options are 1 and 3 only. 3 only, 1, 2 and 3, and none of this above statements is correct. Let's break down each option in detail. You will understand that. First of all, for solving such type of question, we have to understand what exactly is direct air capture. So direct air capture is a carbon removal technology. Carbon removal, because you are capturing carbon. So what is exactly happening? That extracts CO₂ directly from the ambient air using chemical process. Means right now carbon dioxide is there. So with the help of chemical process, we are directly capturing the carbon dioxide. So the captured carbon dioxide, where it will go? It can be sequestrated underground, or means permanent removal, or utilized in products like fuels, plastics and carbonated beverages. Okay, so definitely first option is correct. Second is, it can be a valuable approach for plastic production in food processing. Is it correct? Tell me. In aviation, it can be source of carbon for combining with hydrogen to create. Yes, this is also. So students, the option 2, it can be valuable approach for plastic production in food web. Yes, because see, this is what I told, right? See, so it is helping in fuel also, it is helping the plastic also, it helps the carbonated beverages also. Okay, see this thing. So statement 1 is correct, obviously. Carbon sequestration, yes. Second option is also correct. It can be a valuable approach for plastic production and in food processing. That is also correct. Reason is that the captured carbon dioxide can be utilized as a feedstock, raw material. Okay, it can be used in the production of what? Polymers and plastics. In the food and beverage industry, captured carbon dioxide can be purified and used for carbonated drinking in or in modified atmospheric packaging. As you can see, the moment we open any carbonated drink like Coca-Cola, Pepsi, automatically the gas release, that gas is nothing but carbon dioxide only. And this particular approach, if we are like, see, if we are getting carbon dioxide from the atmosphere and we are using as a like in pure form in the carbonated drinks, it's like a two-in-one thing. Okay, so carbon dioxide also removed from the atmosphere. Okay, we can capture it again and again use it. So it's like it's beneficial for us to reuse the carbon dioxide also. Statement 3, in aviation, it can be source of carbon for combining with hydrogen to create synthetic low carbon fuel. Yes, it is also correct, because direct air capture is a key technology for producing what? Sustainable aviation fuels, generally known as SAF, also known as e-fuels. E-fuels, remember. So this particular approach process involves capturing carbon dioxide from the air and combining it with the hydrogen produced from renewable energy sources. If you are producing the hydrogen from the renewable sources of energies, that will be called as green hydrogen. Okay, so there are three types of hydrogen: green hydrogen, blue hydrogen, gray hydrogen. So green hydrogen is the hydrogen. It doesn't mean color is green, remember. Okay, means it is sustainable, carbon zero, carbon neutral. Means during the production of that hydrogen, no any carbon dioxide gas was released, or if it was released, it was captured totally. That you have to understand. Okay, now this particular process will do what? It will create a synthetic hydrocarbon fuel that is considered carbon neutral or low carbon, because the carbon released during combustion was originally removed from the atmosphere through carbon sequestration. So all the three statements are absolutely correct. Okay, 1 2 3 is the right answer. 37.